me in the morning, 'cause you spent the night right next to me. Let's say I let.
Hello all, my name is Brianna and I'm so excited to be collaborating with Jessica Tyler today. I would love to have you guys check out my channel, and I have some meals to share with you on my channel as well, but I also do grocery shopping or grocery hauls. I do a day in life vlogs. I do clean with me's. I consider myself a lifestyle vlogger, so if you'd like that stuff, come on and check me out.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Jessica and my channel here on YouTube is Jessica Tyler. I make cleaning motivation videos as well as lifestyle vlogs and hauls, really anything homemaking related. So if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe, so hit the subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It lets me know what kind of content to create for my viewers. Also, today's video is a collab with my friend Brianna. Brianna has a YouTube channel also, and you can find her over at Brianna Weiler. I'll have all of her information linked in my description box down below. She has lifestyle vlogs and cleaning motivation and grocery hauls and pretty much videos like I make. So I know you guys are going to love her, so please check her out after you watch this video. Now let's get into this recipe. So this is a super easy dinner that you can make, and there's not really any wrong way to do it. What I do is I get started sauteing some bell peppers and onions, and we put this on our quesadillas, but the boys, of course, they don't like the vegetables, so I just leave it off of theirs. But tonight we are doing shrimp, which I just sprayed this skillet with some coconut oil and just a little bit of salt and pepper, and I will saute those also until they're the translucent pink.
Let's say I let you meet my friends. Let's say I let you have my number. Well, I guess this time I didn't stand a chance. Oh no, I am not in love, I am not in love, no.
So for the quesadillas, I'm using this old quesadilla maker. It's super old. I think I got it from Kohl's a long time ago, but it still works, so we're going to use it. I bought some Monterey Jack to shred to go in the quesadillas, and I just get some shells. And to grease this, we will be just using some stick butter, and this is just like the last of some, and I'll show you why I use it like that so I don't mess up a whole stick of butter, because I'm just gonna use it to coat this so the shells do not stick. And I'm trying my hand at the cilantro plant, so I'm actually gonna pick this and use it, and then hopefully be able to grow it back, because I keep buying cilantro, using it once, there's still tons left, and then I have to throw it away because I don't use it fast enough. So once the shrimp get done, the vegetables get done, and then the chicken get done, we'll be ready to assemble the quesadillas. And I'm just serving it to the boys with some chips and dip, and I'm going to make a homemade salsa.
Okay, so I'm just using my Vitamix. You can use any blender to make the salsa. It's super easy. Usually you buy the larger can, which I think is 29 ounces of diced tomatoes, but I didn't have diced tomatoes, so I'm just using whole tomatoes, and it really doesn't matter because I blend it really smooth. But if you wanted chunks of tomato, then diced probably would work better. Like I said, I'm just doing mine really thin, so it's not going to matter in this recipe. Then I put 2 tablespoons of jalapenos. These are just the pickled ones that come in the jar. And then I will add cilantro, and you can add fresh onion, but I'm going to use onion powder, garlic salt. That's where the saltiness will come from, cumin powder and chili powder, and some lime juice, and I just pretty much blend it and it is ready.
He was nothing but a city boy.
shrimp are finished, I will do the chicken, and I did about 1 chicken breast because that's what 2 of the boys will eat, and I just decided last minute to season them with some of my own seasoning. But to be super easy, you can use a taco seasoning packet or fajita seasoning, just whatever you have. But if you don't have anything, then you can do just like a mix of cumin, chili powder, garlic, salt, and onion powder. I believe that's all that I used on it. And then grill the chicken up. That's all you have to do for the fillings. You have your meat and vegetables, and then we will be using some Monterey Jack cheese that I just shredded off the block.
So what? Na 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 na. Nothing but a city boy. Let's say I miss you when I'm tipsy. Let's say I think about you once or twice. Let's say I want you to want me. Maybe someday you feel the way I do. Oh no, I am not in love, I am not in love, no. He was nothing but a city boy. Nothing but a city boy. So what? Na 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 na. Nothing but a city boy. Oh, he was nothing but a city boy. Oh, nothing but a city boy. He was nothing but a city boy. Nothing but a city boy. So what? Na 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 na. Nothing but a city boy. So what? Na 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 na. Nothing but a city boy. When you're down and you stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day. Well, that's not okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope you guys liked the what's for dinner video today. And if you did, please leave a comment down below. Also, let me know if you are coming over from Brianna's channel. I'd love to say hi to you and connect. Be sure to subscribe and like this video for more content like it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
1, 2, 3, 4. We can never go back this road. We can never go back.